Abstract nouns are words that name ideas, feelings, or qualities that you cannot touch or see. These nouns represent things that exist only in the mind or emotions, not in the physical world. Some examples of abstract nouns are love, freedom, happiness, justice, knowledge, honesty, friendship, anger, and creativity. These words name feelings and ideas that we understand but cannot hold. Abstract nouns are nouns that name ideas, feelings, qualities, or concepts. These things cannot be touched, seen, or heard. They represent thoughts and emotions in our minds instead of physical objects. Abstract nouns represent things that are not physical objects. You cannot experience them directly with your five senses. They often express emotions, ideas, or qualities. Usually, they cannot be counted or measured. Other examples of abstract nouns include wisdom, fear, peace, patience, respect, courage, curiosity, and integrity. These words describe important qualities and feelings. Abstract nouns name things you cannot touch, like love, happiness, freedom, and knowledge. Concrete nouns name things you can touch or see, like chair, dog, apple, and water. It is important to know the difference to use nouns correctly. You can use abstract nouns in sentences to talk about feelings and ideas. For example, love is a powerful emotion. Her honesty earned everyone's trust. We strive for freedom and equality. Knowledge grows with curiosity. Abstract nouns name ideas, feelings, and qualities that we cannot see or touch. They help us talk about emotions, concepts, and values clearly. Practicing abstract nouns improves English speaking and writing skills.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.